Okay, hello. Tell me about the upcoming workshops in September.
Well, I'm very, very excited to provide. This is the fourth month of the online mentorship programs. And for the month of September, I have prepared two special programs. One workshop in dance composition choreography and the other workshop about dance theater. I want to offer the opportunity for performers in any kinds, I mean performers, actors, dancers, that they want to investigate what is performed now during the pandemic. Are we performing for the cameras? Are we performing for Zoom? Are we keep working in our craft to feel the presence on the stage? So I want to empower you as a performer. And the other one is about composition and choreography workshop, where we investigate different elements of dance composition, and we also alternate between composed for the camera and none. So this is what September will look like.
What level do you need to be to take these workshops?
Well, the fun part about this workshop, there is a mix of students. I have chairs and professors for different dance departments in the United States. I have artists that they are currently in middle career. I have beginner choreographers. I have beginner actors that they join. So it's a mix of different levels. And that's the fun part. It's very, very international. We have more than 15 different countries. And so that's the fun. And we are all connected online.
And tell me about your experience performing online.
Well, you know, all these months I feel very lucky and very blessed to be performing for different venues in New York City that they show my dance films or my live performances from my house. Even you don't see that it's my house. And so I want to transfer this experience of rehearsing my own pieces and my investigation of what it means to be a performer today. What is the role of the performing arts today? And you know, again, we are performing artists. These define how we are. So can we stop doing it? So this mentorship program is a time and a space when we create this dialogue and we investigate further. Beside that, the format of my classes, you know, I have one student in Sweden and I asked her, when you sign up for the workshop, you have any idea what this workshop was about? And she's like, no, I just trust in you, Anabella. You was my teacher. So I signed up and I said, okay, let's give it a try. And she was so surprised about the format. So, you know, I am a professor in higher education. So for me, it's very important to stimulus and give homework to my workshop. One of my also students told me, Anabella, I feel like a grad school, but in a good sense of things that I want to study. So I give text to read. So we have, during a week, we have an encounter. So 1 week, 3 hours online. And then during the week, they have their own time to do homework, reading some text that I send, some chapter of the book, and also looking at a video. So we have, we really emphasize on the critical thinking and the discussion. And so historically, influences, we study through that. And then we have exercises, so they need to do practical exercises and show every week. So basically are performing every week among each other, among this small group. I just take 10 people per group because I really want to talk individually, and that's what for me makes sense about this mentorship.
And how do you sign up?
You just go to my website, anabellalenzu.com/workshop, and then you can see, you send me an email why you want to participate in the workshop and your motivations, and you know, I make a little selection, and here we go, we start working.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you, and see you in September online via Zoom.